Today's video is Chapter 5, Lesson 5. We are going to solve multi-step equations and inequalities, but I decided to call it Sing the Song a Lot of Times, plus Weird Ones. So, let's get started. Alright, so what is our first step when you look at this question? What pops in your head? You say, I should distribute. That's the first thing that I should do. You get a car, you get a car. 3x. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I'm ready to sing the normal songs that we're used to. We're going to subtract 6. We're going to end up dividing by 3. And then we will get our final answer. When we divide by 3, we come up with 2. So what's weird, or not weird, weird is later. Okay, what's different about this question is that you have to do something to one side, like distribute, before you start singing songs and doing stuff to both sides. The same thing could be true if we have an inequality. I might need to distribute before I start singing the songs. Negative 4 times b, negative 4b, negative 4 times a negative 3. That's a positive 12, less than or equal to 72. Now I'm ready to sing my first song, minus 12, minus 12. Cross out what's my answer. Rewrite the question. And I almost did an equal sign. Can't do an equal sign. I have to do less than or equal to. And second song, divide by negative 4. That's where this guy gets flipped. Divide by negative 4. Cross out what's my answer. Now it's greater than or equal to. And gosh, how many times does 4 go into 60? Well, 4 goes into 6 once. 4 goes into 25 times. So negative 15. With these guys, we have to draw a number line. So negative 15, negative 14, negative 16. It's a closed dot, color right. And I'm done. So from here down should look like the last homework you did. The new stuff is you may have to distribute before you start. All right, here's your first question of the video. Grab some paper and pencil, solve this question, tell me what x is. Did you end up with 3? X equals 3. So I distribute and I get 8x. I get 4 in the back, 4 times 1. Subtract 4, that makes 24. Rewrite, divide by 8, get a final answer of 3. All right, let's look at this one. We got a lot going on here. We got distribute on the left. We got distribute on the right. We've got this minus 2 here. So let's get started. 4x plus 20, when I distribute this 4, equals 6x plus 12, when I distribute the 3, minus 2. Now I need to combine chicken legs and get 10. 4x plus 20 equals 6x plus 10. Remember 10 because it's a positive 12 and a negative 2. 12 minus 2 is a positive 10. All right, now this looks like something we've seen before. Personally, I like getting rid of the letter on the right-hand side, so minus 6x minus 6x. Rewrite the question. Negative 2x plus 20 is equal to 10. Now I have to get rid of the 20. Minus 20 minus 20. Cross out what's my answer. Rewrite again. I'm almost done. Divide by 2, divide by 2, negative 2, divide by negative 2. Cross out what's my answer. And x is going to equal a positive 5. So sometimes you got a lot of work to do. You got to distribute. You got to combine like terms. Then you might have variables on both sides. And you got to sing the song. So we sang the song 3 different times. We did 5 steps here, you guys. Oh my gosh. 6 steps if you want to. But we distributed. That was step 1. We combined like terms. That was step 2. This song was 3, 4, 5. That took us 5 steps. Here's your second question of the video. Get your paper and pencil back out, distribute, and all we have to do is distribute on one side. Distribute and solve. Sing this song a couple times. Tell me what you get for x. Did you get m equals -1? Let's look and see what I did. I distributed the 6 to get 18m plus 18. I like getting rid of this guy, so I subtracted 18m's. 12 minus 18 is -6. I rewrite it in green, subtracted 12 and got a +6. Rewrote it in green, divided by -6 and got a -1. All right, let's look at those weird ones that I said we were going to have. Now, notice when you look at it like this, you're thinking, well, nothing looks weird about that. Let's start solving it. Distribute, and I get 3y minus 15. I write my plus 25 equals 3y plus 10. None of that changes. Combine chicken legs. We've done that before. That doesn't seem weird. A -15 and a +25 makes a +10 equals 3y plus 10. Oh, snapperdoodles, do you see? This looks weird. The left side matches the right side. If you get to that point, left side matches right side, the answer is identity. Or the answer is all real numbers. Because every number works for x. X is not just one number, it's every number, all the numbers. So when the left side matches the right side, it's identity. Or all real numbers. You can say either of these answers, they're both good answers. Here is the other weird one. Again, nothing looks weird about this. The left side, I'm going to write it again. The right side, I'm going to distribute my 2. I get 4s plus 6 minus 9s. I've got to combine chicken legs. Nothing looks weird still. I'm going to write the left side, and 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 is -5. So I have -5s plus 6. Okay. My favorite thing to get rid of is the numbers right here on the right-hand side. Plus 5s plus 5s. Cross out what's my answer. What? This is going to equal 0 also. -5 and +5 cancel each other out. So now I'm down to -14 on the left, 6 on the right. When the two sides don't match, there is no answer that works. You would say empty set. You could also say null set. So something that tells me that there is no answer. You could also have a 0 with a line through it. There's no one. Why did I write no one? There's no answer. Null set, empty set. So that's the situation where you have different things on the left side and the right side end up being numbers. Our letters go away and we just have numbers, and they're not the same. If they were the same, like -14, -14, that would be our identity. But this is -14 and 6. So this doesn't work. Go away, go away, go. So there's no answer that's going to work. No answer, empty set, null set, 0 with a line through it. Here's your last question of the video. Describe what it means to get identity as an answer. When do we get that? Describe that weird situation. All right, I would take answers like the left side and the right side matches. Or I would take an answer that says identity means all the x's work. Every number works for x. Something like that. All right, good video.